everyone, so today I'm just gonna do a little update. I know I did exercise video. I was showing the couple of exercises that I do, so I'm gonna show you my update today on my results. I'll be honest, I'm really bad at doing things religiously, so I get into my mode, I'll do it for a couple of weeks and then I stop. And then I have to motivate myself to get back into it. But you know what? I think it's working, those exercises, because look at the results from some of my other videos where you do see me a little bit more tummy. So I'm getting the lines. I've slimmed my waist down, as you can see, like I'm flexing. So I've flattened the tummy. So I've gotten a smaller waist, and as far as the booty, well, I think it's become more rounder. I mean, I don't have a Kardashian derriere, but I think keep working at it. Look, it's gotten a little bit more round. It's definitely more firm. So it has. I'm getting tongue-tied. My waist has gotten smaller and tighter in the tummy area where I wanted, and I've gotten the lines. So I think it's pretty good. I'm gonna keep working on the bootay to make sure I get a little bit bigger, see what I can do. And I'm actually looking at other exercises for the derriere, so I will do them. And I will do another video showing exactly what it is, the new exercises that I'm trying. So that's it. I'm not going to have a long video. I just figured I would do a quick one on my results just to show you. So that's I wore this shirt because it's a small waisted shirt too, so you can see without me lifting, but I wanted to show the lines also. So that's cool. So everybody who's doing it out there, be motivated, keep it up. If you're like me and you have to re-motivate yourself, you know, what can we do? We gotta try. But I'm not a gym buff, and we need to motivate each other. So that's it. My other video, if you want to check it out, I was showing during COVID, I was doing a couple of quick exercises that took about 15-20 minutes to do. And it was a handful of exercises that worked on slimming the waist and firming up the bootay. That's what I was focusing on. So in the next one, I'm going to be doing squats. That's what I didn't do in this one. Another, like, to build a little bit the bootay in the legs. So that's good. Anyways, let me know what's up. Hope you go back and watch that video and then you see my results. If you started doing them, let me know down below any comments and your results too. That's awesome. So this is just pretty much an update video to show you my results. I'm pretty happy with that. Anyways, I wish everybody a wonderful, wonderful day. And subscribe. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm sweetbabygirl025. I would love you to hit me up there too, but watch my other videos and I will do my best to continue. If you have any suggestions on what you might want me to do, let me know. That'd be great. I like this to be interactive, and like I said, all my videos I just do it straight, so no cut and paste. Thank you for watching. Till my next video, it'll definitely be longer. Okay.